Today we're diving into an exciting product that promises to revolutionize your typing experience: the WYanHua-Gasket O-Ring, a set of 150pcs Keycaps O-Ring seal switch sound dampeners. Whether you're a seasoned typist, a passionate gamer, or someone who just enjoys the serene quiet of a noise-reduced keyboard, this product claims to cater to your needs, and we're here to dissect its features, performance, and overall value. First off, the specifications of these O-rings are tailored for a perfect fit on most mechanical keyboards. With an outside diameter of 8mm, an inside diameter of 4mm, and a cross-section, CS, of 1.5mm, they're designed to snugly fit around the base of your keycaps, effectively reducing the travel distance and dampening the sound produced upon key presses. This reduction not only minimizes noise but also potentially speeds up your typing, as the shorter travel distance allows for faster key actuation. Beyond their primary use in keyboards, these O-rings boast versatility. They've been cited as effective solutions for solving faucet leaks and other minor plumbing tasks, serving as a testament to their durability and the quality of the rubber material used. This flexibility adds an extra layer of value, as you're not just investing in quieter typing but also in a multi-purpose tool for minor household repairs. The high-quality rubber material mentioned is a key factor in the performance of these O-rings. Rubber, by nature, is in. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.